Our top stories this week. The Wavemakers crew jumps into action as we join the Protecting the Nature video challenge, using our creativity and voices to help protect our planet. On Brainwave, we level up our thinking skills as we explore purpose and perspective, learning why a text was written and whose point of view it shares. Looking ahead, don't forget, February 18th is a no-school day, and next week we're spreading the love with Valentine's Day Spirit Week, so get ready to dress up and show your school spirit. We're also counting down to the March Spring Thing Dance, so mark your calendars and get ready to dance the night away. Plus, stay tuned for Weather Watch and more fun facts and surprises coming up on Shark Bites. All that and more right here on Wavemakers. Confidence, creativity, commitment. Making waves the PBMA way. I'm Brandon Nagasar, and join us as we bring you closer to the actions and stories happening within our school community.
So don't forget to stay tuned as we bring you stories that matter. This is Alexis Olson, and you're watching
Wavemakers. Every day we benefit from nature. The air we breathe, the water we drink, and the places we learn, play, and grow. But these same resources need our care and protection. That's why we're featuring this video today. This video isn't just about showing what's happening to the environment. It's about reminding us that even small actions can create powerful change. As Wavemakers, we don't wait for others to lead. We step up, speak out, and take responsibility for the world we're part of. As you watch, think about this. What role do I play in protecting nature? And how can my everyday choices help create waves of positive impact? Let's watch, reflect, and continue making waves for our planet and for our future.
Florida is more than just beaches and sunshines. It's home to some of the most unique ecosystems on Earth, from the Everglades to the coral reefs, from mangrove forests to freshwater springs. Our city is full of life that depends on us to protect it.
But right now, Florida's natural environment is under threat. Pollution, plastic waste, harmful algae blooms, and climate change are putting wildlife and water quality at risk. When trash ends up in our oceans, animals like sea turtles, birds, and dolphins often mistake it for food, and that can be dangerous.
One of the biggest problems is plastic. Plastic bags, bottles, and food wrappers don't disappear. They break down into tiny pieces called microplastics that stay in our water for hundreds of years. These particles end up in fish we eat and water we drink.
Another major issue is water pollution. When fertilizers, chemicals, and oil wash into our rivers and canals, they flow straight into the ocean. This causes algae blooms that kill fish and destroy coral reefs, which protect our coastlines from storms.
And the good news, we have solutions. We can all practice the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reducing waste, reusing items, and recycling properly keeps trash out of our landfills and waterways.
We can also plant trees and protect green spaces. Trees help clean the air, prevent flooding, and provide homes for wildlife. Even planting one tree in your schoolyard makes a big difference.
Another way to help is by supporting government and community environmental programs. These programs protect wetlands, clean up beaches, restore coral reefs, and preserve wildlife habitats across Florida.
And don't forget everyday actions. Use reusable bottles and bags. Save water and electricity. And pick up litter when you see it. Small choices add up to big change.
Florida's future depends on what we do today. If we work together, we can keep our surroundings, the beaches, the oceans, and wildlife healthy for generations to come.
Caring for the environment is more than a routine. It's a moral responsibility. Every piece of waste we avoid and every tree we plant reflects our commitment to others and to the generations who will inherit this world in the future.
Ethical living means staying aware of how our choices ripple outward, choosing actions rooted in respect, responsibility, and compassion.
So let's act with purpose and care, because protecting our home isn't only a choice, it's the right thing to do. We're the PBMA Wavemakers, and we're the future wave. This week, we're diving into figuring out a text's purpose and perspective, basically why it was written and who is telling a story. Whether you're reading an article, a story, or even a social media post, knowing these clues helps you understand what the author really wants you to think or feel. So get ready to read between the lines, because once you know how to spot purpose and perspective, every text starts to make more sense. Let's learn more about this with Sophia and Kenzie for Brainwave.
Hey Sharks, welcome back to another episode of Brainwave, where we break down the strategies that help you think smarter, read stronger, and learn better. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Kinsey, and this week we're going to crack the code behind any text.
First up, purpose. Ask yourself, why was this written? Look at the clues. If the text gives facts, definitions, or explanations, the purpose is to inform. If it uses strong opinions, emotional words, or a call to action, it's trying to persuade. If it tells a story to make you laugh, it's meant to entertain.
Now let's talk about perspective. Who is telling the story and where are they coming from? Check the word choices. Are they positive, negative, or neutral? Notice what details are included and what's left out. That's what tells you what the author wants you to notice.
Finally, ask, whose voice is the loudest? Whose voice is missing? When you spot the clues, you understand more than the text. You understand the message behind it. That's this week's Brainwave.
Read smart
And think sharp.
Stay sharp and keep making waves of success with Brainwave.
Now it's time for our Shark Sports Update.
The boys basketball team at PBMA won their game on Thursday 44-15 against Somerset DBK. It was a nice rebound for the Sharks after dropping 2 losses earlier in the week to the Franklin schools. Didio Jaquez led all scorers with 10 points, and the Inerio brothers combined for 13, as the Sharks cruised to victory. The Sharks are now 3-2 in the Charter School League and are sitting in 3rd place. Let's go Sharks!
Stay tuned for highlights, game scores, and upcoming matches as our athletes continue to show teamwork, dedication, and Shark pride.
Up next is Weather Watch, bringing you the latest updates so you're ready for anything, rain or shine. Sharks, here's Alberta Medina. And here are some more updates from Marissa and Aaliyah.
Hey Sharks, my name is Marissa.
And I'm Aaliyah,
and here are some quick Shark updates. Get ready to spread the love because Valentine's is coming your way, February 9th through the 13th. Let's break it down. Starting with Monday, it's Peace Love Day, so grab your tie-dye and bring those good vibes to campus. On Tuesday, it's Together Forever. Match with your friends as iconic pairs or groups. Think PB&J, Mario and Luigi, or Minnie and Mickey. Wednesday is all about things we love. Wear something that shows off your favorite sports teams, characters, or fandom. Then there's Thursday. It's time to dress to impress. Go fancy and show off your best and most unique self. And finally, Friday, Valentine's Colors Day. Come dressed in red, pink, and white to wrap up Spirit Week with heartfelt style. Quick reminder, all outfits must follow school-appropriate dress guidelines. Get dressed, show your spirit, and spread the love.
Get ready to turn up the vibes because the Spring Team Dance is happening on March 13th from 6 to 8 p.m. Enjoy great music, food, and drinks and non-stop dancing all night long. Entry is just $7, but don't wait. Prices go up to $10 after February 16th. So grab your crew, bring the energy, and we'll see you on the dance floor.
Lakeward Streets Painting Festival is coming up on February 21st and 22nd, 2026. Families can help through volunteering to help paint and provide supply donations. So be ready to get creative and have fun.
Important reminder, there will be no school for students on Wednesday, February 18, 2026.
Volunteers needed. The mobile dentist will be returning to PBMA this spring to provide dental services during the school day. Parents must complete the online enrollment form in advance at this link below.
Don't miss your chance to capture the memories. The 2025 yearbook sale is extended until February 28th and ads are also available. Grab yours now for just $34.
A quick reminder about the 10-10 rule. No passes during the first or last 10 minutes of class. Let's stay focused and make every minute of learning count.
Sharks, remember, all cell phones and electronic devices must be placed in your yonder pouches during the first period and kept there throughout the day. This helps avoid class disruptions and keeps everyone focused on learning. Let's stay present, stay focused, and keep our classrooms distraction-free.
Sharks, don't forget to subscribe to PBMA's official YouTube channel where you can see all Wavemaker episodes. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
That's it for this week's Quick Shark Updates.
Back to you, Alexis.
And now for our quote of the week. Always stay true to yourself and never let what somebody else says distract you from your goals.
That sums up this week's episode of Wavemakers. Your stories, your voice, our commitment. Sharks, always remember to reflect our shark mentality by being safe, respectful, and responsible.
For more updates, visit us online at PBMA's official YouTube and Facebook accounts, delivering campus news with accuracy, integrity. This is Alexis Olson.
And I'm Brandon Nagasar. This has been
Wavemakers.
Have a great weekend, Sharks.